It is a privilege to vow to you today, a privilege far greater than fancy ideas, shiny objects, or exciting challenges. Jen, I will be humble, protective, and supportive to you. Wow, this is real, this is great.
If you were to just sum up how you're feeling right now in this moment, like what's going through your head? What are the top thoughts?
Top thoughts is this is pretty big. It's quite significant. I've never encountered a moment where so many people have like jumped in to do so much effort for me. It's quite crazy to think that people are willing to do so much. It's also been a big point of growth for both me and Jen, just planning such an enormous thing. And I've been telling some people that it really is. I think it's probably one of the biggest things that a lot of people will do in their life. Well, one of the first biggest things that they'll do is taking something on like this and staying calm when things don't go your plan, and then adapting. And I must say we've adapted a lot and grown a lot, and we actually work quite well together in a team, which is reassuring on a big day like today. That's it, I think.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And if you were going to tell Jen one thing now, what would you say to her?
Oh, no, everything's just going to work out absolutely fine. Today and afterwards. I mean, I'm quite certain we're going to have a few other stressful and challenging times like now, when things don't always go to plan, but then they also work out for the better in the end. So I just say just remain calm, and the people have got this. I will always be near, in devastation, sadness, and unfairness. We will fight a good fight and build our dreams. The companion and friend you are to me is just awesome. Home is wherever I'm with you. Jen, without you, I'd become the grumpy food critic from the Ratatouille movie. I love you to the moon and back.
Jen, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling nervous, but I'm good.
Are you good? Okay.
Yeah.
If there was something that you were going to tell Cassidy now, what would you say to him?
Just tie your hair up neatly, please. And be calm.
Okay, that's awesome.
Yeah.
And then maybe if there's anything you want to like tell yourself, when you watch this later, just to like remind yourself something that you're thinking right now, or just any message.
Just pause for a little bit and take it in, because it goes very quickly. Yeah. Surely now.
Just keep working it. Okay. 3. Cheers.
You are my best friend, my calm, and my adventure. Thank you for being my rock, my hype man, and my comfort. Thank you for being the kind and gentle person that you are, and for your endless patience and support. No matter where I am, when I'm with you, I feel like I'm home.
You like leaf flag. Oh my god, you look so cool, jammer. Oh, you look prachtig. Oh, my liefste. Jij loopt mooi dapper. Kijk eens stuk kunnen.
Say this way. Okay.
Oh, you look so...
It has been an honor getting to know you deeply and growing with you as a person over the past 6 years. I vow to love you, care for you, support and encourage you. I vow to be honest with kindness and to be loyal to you. I promise to continuously work to understand you and accept you fully as you are. I promise to listen with intent, respond with patience and kindness, and act thoughtfully. I promise to value and appreciate you always. I cannot wait to further embark on the adventure of life with you and to be your forever person. I love you endlessly, to the moon and back.